Hello everyone. Do you eat vegetables enough like your mama told you? If you don't, I have this recipe to help you eat more vegetables. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. It means a lot to me. So I have 400 gram pork belly. If you use American measurement, you can do 1 pound. I remove the skin because I will stir fry, pan fry the meat very shortly, so I don't want gummy skin. And I slice very thinly like so. And I will marinate now, very simple, with garlic, shallot, and black pepper. I don't add salt, fish sauce, or any salty here, because at the end we will make the rolls, and the roll will dip in a fish sauce dip, and it's very flavorful. So I want to pure plain flavor go into that dip. Now I remove the skin of garlic and shallots, and I slice them. I don't mince them. I keep them big pieces like this, so that later when I fry, they don't get burned. So that's it, very simple. Now I wear my gloves and massage the garlic and shallot, and it had black pepper in there already to thoroughly massage. And that's it, I will set aside. Now on this skillet I added 1 tablespoon of oil, and I crushed 1 garlic and mince some ginger, just a slice, and some white parts of green onions to make my oil fragrant. When I smell the aroma, I add my meat on single layer, and don't stir, don't do anything, just let it cook. When it's brown underneath, I will flip to brown the other side, and that's it. It takes like 2, maximum 3 minutes, because the meat thinly sliced and the high heat will cook it very shortly. And you do so until you're done with all the meat, and while the skillet oil is hot, you drop in green onion already sliced, and immediately remove, so that keep green color. You see, looks very beautiful. Now on the skillet, bring up a little oil to heat, and I beat 2 eggs earlier, and now I make an omelette, and I flip to the other side to brown and cooked, and I remove. And that's it. It's time to build the food. I chop the omelette into 2, and I slice into strips, so that when I do the roll, each roll will have 1 egg strip. Alright, I put the fish sauce dip in the center, And now I build my meat and egg together like so. Meat, egg strip until it cover the whole plate. You can see that we eat with our eye first, so make it beautiful. I can tell you that I was very picky. I didn't eat vegetables until I was on 8th grade, and on the biology class, the teacher told us that the vegetables have nutrition and help with our body and everything. That the only time I started to eat my vegetables. But like you know, if you don't like vegetable, that very hard to eat vegetable alone. So I find try to make many recipes that includes vegetables, and it's so delicious. You forget about a lot of vegetables in your food, and at the end of the day you have vegetables in your body, and that's serve the purpose. So I done with going around, and now I go into the size of the bone and place more meat, and then I'm done. Now I put on my bamboo bladder, and I have 10 vegetables. Can you believe it? I bought 5 of them, and 5 I grow myself. So sometime I will invite you to my garden for you to see how my vegetable doing. I will list the name of the vegetables in the description box below. But like this is very versatile. You can put any vegetable you like. And now vegetable done. I added 2 meat strips and 1 egg strip, and that's it. I roll up and dip in the fish sauce dip, and yummy. Please, thank you. Bye bye.